What's up?
Good morning. Are you prepared for Jehovah's return? Because if you're not, I have a pamphlet today. Well, fuck you. Head dead motherfucker. Come on, sister.
Ever play me like I'm fucking sweet or soft out here. Yeah. I'm the real motherfucking deal. Yeah. Like I told everybody on Facebook, yeah. I'm back, motherfuckers, yeah. And I'm taking over this bitch, and I mean that. Yeah. And that's a big motherfucking fact. Ain't nothing else to talk about unless you locking something in.
Hey, you know why they made sidewalks? Because the streets ain't for everybody.
Bought another whip. Mama knew once I got 10 on M's, they couldn't tell me shit. Really right was posted in the park, not talking 106. Little bro, do your ass bad. Call her 187. Done had every.
Every time you drop that bitch, that's what the fuck is supposed to sound like. Motherfucker. Get up here, you got the back tie ready, man. We ready to race, man. I ain't know what no nitrous, man. Try to do what? I'm gonna beat the fuck out of you. That's my shit. Peanut that pulled it over him. Peanut that pulled. You got the back tie red, fucking nitrous. You ain't trying. Nitrous for fucking nitrous. You got the back tie red. It winds head up when you come back to see me. I'll beat the fuck out of you. I'm gonna beat your fucking ass every time you think about racing.
Texas versus North Carolina. Drivers, watch your lights. Goes out on, but he hit the wall, left lane.
I don't run it. Psych! I do run it. I might swerve in that corner. Whoa.